Fatman's Loop. No idea why it's called that. 2.5 miles, elevation gain is around 600 feet, and it is a loop. Getting here, very, very simple. You're gonna do Mount Eldon Lookout Trail. That is actually the harder version. It does a piece of this and then it breaks off all the way to the top. So if you're looking for a challenge, that's a better option for you. If you're looking for something with family, kids, things like that, Fatman's Loop Trail is fantastic. It's beautiful. All right, now let's jump into those details. Starting out from the parking, there is a nice parking lot. So very easy to find, you know, park, do what you gotta do. There is a decent amount of shade. It's partial, but there is shade from all these huge trees along this trail. If you want to do a little bit more of a workout, you want to get to the top of this trail, which is where it really meets up with Eldon Lookout Trail, go clockwise. You'll get there faster. If you want a more gradual elevation to that point, it'll be longer, but it go counterclockwise. And again, it'll be much more gradual. Choose whatever you want to do. In the early parts of this trail, you do hear the highway noise, just something to be aware of, but the views for this more than make up for it. As I walk and pant, reminder you, we are about 7,000 feet elevation, so hard to breathe. You need more water for that reason. Make sure you come prepared. I'm interrupting myself to say there are no trash cans at this trailhead, so everything you have, pack it in, pack it out. And lastly, it is pretty easy to wander off. A lot of little side trails, they kind of meet up, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. But if you want to stay on trail, make sure you don't wander off in an incorrect path. Make sure you have a map, or like all trails, right? As I always recommend, just to be able to download the maps offline. Service is pretty good for 90% of this trail though. Hope you guys enjoy the trail guide. I'll see you next week.